This is some gangster music for the gangsters. No motherfucking wanksters, just thinkers. Y'all niggas better listen to the Don. This the moment of truth. If you don't get it, then it's red wrong. This is the moment of truth. Young Stacks in the booth. I've been silent since the doctor cut my cord loose. Let's have a moment of silence for Guillotine. Rest in peace. Be quiet before I roast you like beef. Cause bitch, I been in the streets. These niggas are picked to my teeth. Marinating you bitches. My 40's name is Belief. That bitch'll make you believe when they get to spitting out them seeds. And my verse is so deadly, they'll make you get on your knee. My country says that I'm guilty. My mind tells me it's misery. Insufficiency or not. Can't let this shit get the best of me. Somebody got to be blessing me. I'm a victim to ban. That's why I say I'm the truth. Because I know that y'all feeling me. I'm the Alpha Omega. The people say that I'm God. I enlighten the world. Infinite wisdom in word. I ain't never sold no heroin. So that trust was my girl. I cooked that bitch so good, I had to name her Pearl. Don't want to go back to the hood because I love the suburbs. I was born to God, so I got to play my position. Ain't trying to sell no more dope. Don't want to go back to prison. I gotta make a decision. I give a fuck about opinion. You know I want the universe and a bitch to Dominican. I made rapping a hobby. Even took courses in college with a degree in philosophy and a heart made of gold. I love my mama to death. After the end of the road, don't make no deal with the devil. Fuck selling my soul, bitch. I be solid for life. I promise I never fold. My eye discover her temple beyond the limits of the pole. I put the mink on when it get cold. Was icy but now I'm froze. Caress her body all the way down to her toe. Yeah, my bitch, she's true. She kissed me right through the phone. And when I get out the booth, I be going back home so I can fuck her from the back with them stiletto heels on. Man, I been living the dream. I was in prison at 17 with a swag that's so mean. Them hoes still call me king. Never told them that I could sing. Stayed out stuff like YVB. Stuck so hard in school. The teachers called me Mr. Bling. I was born in it, raised in it. Always gonna rep GD. To the end of my struggle, the nation brings out the best of me. Get the ground, what's left of me. Take my spirit up on high. On the pinnacle as I sit on my throne up in the sky. I'm living life just to die, so I got to give it my all. I guess that's why they got the saying, ball till you fucking fall. I'm Young Stack, the Mobite, the temple of perfected man. I stood on my square and came up with the perfect plan. You give me beats, I feed the streets while my girl count these grands. I tell no lie, she counted stacks until she hurt her hand. I told my mama just so long we gon' see better days. Fuck the word, they should've came up with a better phrase. I'm on my grind, now I can't let haters get in my way. Perfected my hustle and shown up I seen better days. That's why I rap and give you truth, because I was ordained. When I was broke, them niggas they ain't look my way. So now I feed them with the bullets out my AK. When I was in prison, them hoes they ain't wanna ride. Now that I'm out, they know my money multiplied. Can't break a solid nigga down cause I'm the whole thing. Gotta pay my girl a visit. Yeah, her name is Mary Jane. Knocking bitches, getting digits. Got these hoes up in my kitchen. Bitches whipping chicken. Chicken get these bitches out their britches. Calm in, bulletproof. And the rims are saber too. Top list up in the booth. My studio ain't got no roof. If I can't shoot, my girl gon' shoot. She gon' knock your noodle loose. Cook a nigga ass. Call it Southern style barbecue. Cold Cash my big brother. Niggas call him Jesse James. Why he shooting pistols? Stack shooting missiles at their brain. Niggas gon' respect me or I bring the octane. If a nigga call himself a dollar, then I'm making change. Young Stacks, I'm getting it in. Bill Gates on my left, Warren Buffett on my right, and we going out tonight. Got a British bitch, so you know I'm popping euro collars, getting euro dollars. 9 inches in her back, that's how you make a European holler. I know these niggas hate me for the hell of it. Break a bitch down, interrogate her till she give me all the evidence. Pip a hoe, Mac a bitch. Young Stacks, I'm hella rich. In the kitchen cooking bricks, I give my girl that dope dick. Yellow bone, banana split. Give her number chocolate. Never eat a hoe, especially if she says she celibate. Man, I love my gutter bitch the way that she swallow it. Every time I'm with her, get her business and she never spit. I gotta let her go, bro. I found me another hoe. And she go to college, got degree, now that's for sure though. Fall back, but never change. I made enough. Fuck the game. Getting money till I fucking die. That's a lot of change. 745, all black, crocodile guts, DUB floaters with an arcade room inside the trunk. Y'all know me, I come through the hood and make that bitch jump. Young Stacks, I'm back, bitch, and I got my straps, bitch. What Cold Cash, nigga, fire them motherfucking trees up, cause when I come through the hood, my hoes throw they G's up.